quiz review. Alright, so again, we start with the first one. We got y equals x minus 8. Alright, so again, we're going to start at negative 8, which is here, and we're going to go up 1 over 1. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Alright, we just keep doing that. Now, it says that x is less than 9. So that means we go over to where 9 is. We go to where our graph is. We're going to put an open circle. And the arrow is pointing to the left. So we draw to the left. So that's what our first one's going to look like. Alright, then we go to our other one, alright, which is y equals 1/3 x minus 2. So we're going to start at negative 2. We're going to go up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3, approximately there. Alright. And again, it says greater than or equal to 9. So now we go to where 9 is, where the graph is, and we have an open circle. We're going to close it. Alright, so now we make it a closed circle, and its arrows pointing to the right. So that means we got to draw in this direction. Alright, so that's what your graph's going to look like for that first one. Alright, the second one. Alright, this is our step function. So again, we got one at 3. Alright, so 3 would be the line that will go right here, but we want negative 1, 3. So negative 1, 3, and we want a closed circle. Again, that means closed circle because it's or equal to. And this one means an open circle because it doesn't have the or equal to. So, again, negative 1, 3, closed circle. 2, 3, open circle. And we just got to connect them. Alright, and then 5, so now we got to go to 2, 5, so 2, 5, closed circle, and then 4, 5, open circle, and connect. Alright, and then we go to 4, 8, so 4, 8, closed circle, and then 9, 8, open circle, and then connect. And then we got 9, 10, which is a closed circle, and then 12, 10, which goes off the graph, open circle. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Alright, that's 1 and 2. Alright, number 3, just like number 1. Alright, so we got y equals x plus 6. So we're going to start at positive 6. Put a point, and then up 1 over 1. Alright, and we got to go back because we need negative 3. So I'm going to go back a little bit. Alright. So now at negative 3, we want to put a closed circle. So negative 3, 1, 2, 3, go up to where the graph is, and it's a closed circle. And the arrow is pointing to the left, so we draw the left side. And that's the first one. The second one, we have y equals negative 2/3 x minus 3. Alright, so we start at negative 3. And we go down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, and then we want to go back in that. So we're going to go over 3 and up 2. Alright, and we continue our line. Looks like that if we continue it, but we want to go to the negative 3, again, to where the graph is, and we're going to make this into an open circle. Alright, so it's going to be an open circle, and we're going to draw it to the right. and that's what your answer should look like. All right, those dotted lines shouldn't be in there, so these aren't here, and then this should be an open circle. All right. All right, number 4. This is again a step function. So we want 0, -1. So 0, -1, and we want a closed circle. And then we want 1, -1, and an open circle. And connect. All right, and then we want 1, -3, closed circle. And then 2, -3, open circle. All right, and then we want 2, -5, and we want a closed circle. And we want 3, -5, and an open circle. And connect them. And then we want 3, -7, and we want a closed circle. And then 4, -7, an open circle, and then connect. And then we want 4, -9, closed circle, and then we want 5, -9, open circle, and connect. All right, so that's what that should look like. All right. And those are the ones that would take some time. These should go pretty easy. All right. So number 5, again, we want it in f of x equals 3x minus 0 plus 0. So again, our vertex is at 0, 0. Go 0, 0. And our how we're going to move, our a is 3 over 1. So we go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, and we do it in both directions. And then we draw our V. And that's it. All right. Next one, number 6. Our A is 1. All right. And we remember opposite of this one. So it's got to be 3, 4. All right. So positive 3, positive 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where we're going to, vertex going to be, and it's up 1 over 1. All right, so just up 1 over 1 in both directions, and we get our V, and we are done. All right, and then number 7. Again, fill in the things we don't know. So we put a 1 there, and then a plus 0. So again, opposite, so negative 6. 0 is our vertex. So negative 6, 0, and up 1 over 1 in both directions. Again, these are V-shaped graphs. So you have to make sure you get your V shape in there. All right, and make sure you put them in the right points. That's what's going to count on the quiz. I'm going to look to see where the vertex is, and I'm going to see how you move. All right, and then number 8. Number 8, again, opposite, so it's positive 8, positive 1. So 8, 1 is right here. And now we have a negative in front, so it's going to be a negative 1 over 1. So that means we're going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and do it in both directions. And we get our V-shaped graph. All right, and that's it for the absolute value ones. All right. So the absolute value ones should be the easy ones. All right. Now these are easy points. These are multiple choice on the quiz today. I actually start with these problems. Real easy. Should it open up or down? Well, if it's positive, if A is positive, it's up. A is negative, it's down. Those should be easy. These, don't forget, the vertex. So again, if it's not there, we're going to put a 0 and opposite. So opposite of that is negative 8 and 0. so negative 8, 0. All right, opposite, so 2, negative 4. 2, negative 4. All right, and then here we're missing our h, so this is going to be 0 and 3. 0 and 3. All right, then we have these on the test today, and these you have to put the letters in there and the numbers. These are 1 point each on that. All right, so we have a negative 1. So negative 1 is less than 3, so we're going to use this one. So we get a negative 1, which gives us a positive 1 plus 6, so A is 7. All right, then we go to 2. 2 is less than 3, so we're going to use this one. So a negative 2 plus 6 gives us 4. And then 4 is greater than or equal to 3, so 4 squared is 16. All right, and then the same thing here. So A is negative 1. Negative 1 is less than 2. So negative 1 in here. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. 2. 2 is not less than 2. 2 is greater than or equal to 2, so we're going to use this one. Half of 2 is 1. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And then our 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 2, so we're going to use this one. Half of 4 is 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And that is your review.